are one big family. Let's get up, let's stand up for Haiti. Together we are one big family.